National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, north central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:51 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Highland Park to Buffalo Grove, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evanston, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, Highland Park, Wilmette, Vernon Hills, Lake Zurich, Lake Forest, Deerfield, Winnetka, Glencoe, Long Grove, Lincolnshire, Riverwoods, Hawthorne Woods, Northfield, Kilveer, and Kenilworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a flash flood